To concatenate or combine two strings, use the plus sign. You can think of this as adding strings together. You can concatenate multiple strings by using additional plus signs in strings. In this example, notice how spaces are included in the strings. String concatenation only combines the strings as they are. In these strings, you can see that I love Python is separated by spaces because those spaces are included in the strings themselves. If you do not include extra spaces, it would look like this. All the words would run together. Remember that the plus sign doesn't do anything. It doesn't add any extra characters. It just combines or adds the strings together. This is an example that demonstrates string concatenation using variables. First, we create three variables. First equals I, second equals love, and third equals Python. Next, we create a variable named sentence, and we assign it the value of first, plus a space, plus second, plus another space, plus third, plus a period. So when we print that sentence, we end up with I space love space Python period. When working with strings, the asterisk is the repetition operator. The format is string asterisk and the number of times you want to repeat that string. For example, if you want to display a hyphen 10 times, use a hyphen asterisk 10. Note that you don't have to use string repetition with just single character strings. In this example, we're repeating the string happy 3 times. Here we create a variable named happiness and assign it to happy asterisk 3. The output of happy asterisk 3 is simply happy repeated 3 times. So when we print the happiness variable, we end up with happy, happy, happy. In an upcoming lesson, you'll be learning about number data types. For now, just know that unlike strings, numbers are not enclosed in quotation marks. To concatenate a string with a number, first convert the number to a string with a built-in str function. The str function turns non-strings, such as numbers, into strings. In this example, we create a variable named version and assign it the number 3. Then we print I love Python. Then we concatenate that with the string representation of the variable version. And then finally we concatenate that with a period. So we end up with I love Python 3. Here's what happens when a number is not converted to a string before concatenation is attempted. You can see that the error message reports that it can't convert an integer object or int object to a str or string object. Just remember to explicitly convert numbers into strings using the str function before you attempt to use them as a string.